What is up, you guys? Pete DiCarlo here with DiCarlo Capital, and today we're doing a little bit of an update on PayPal as we go into another trading week. So hit the like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Check out our Discord community. The link is in the description. You guys get access to free courses, live streams, seminars, webinars, as well as one of the best unusual options bot in the game. The link is in the description. We're over 6,000 members strong, and our goal in 2022 is to become the biggest and the best free trading community out there. Now, looking at PayPal, another volatile week, already down about 4%. We snapped through that support at about $123 a couple of weeks ago. We've been hovering around this range of about $100, and ultimately it looks like we will probably continue the drop down to about 81 bucks. If you guys remember, I took a long-term position in this a couple of weeks ago, and I did plan to average down on my position if we did hit $80. Recently, I actually have, from a business side, had a really bad relationship with PayPal. They're absolutely terrible. So I might end up selling this position at some point. I don't know. We'll see. It was a huge headache. I'll do a whole video on it another point, or at another point in time. But looking at PayPal here, ultimately, it seems like we will probably continue to take that drop down to about $80, which from here is about another 17% drop, which is why I didn't hit everything at the beginning with the full amount of money that I wanted in this position. You can also see here on the weekly, the RSI has not even had a divergence yet. So we had that low back here on November 29th of 2021, and then we hit another low here on like February 28th, and it looks like even if we hit another low now, we will probably start to end up having a divergence, but not quite yet. So that downward movement, even though the RSI is super low at 17, we haven't really started to see a bounce back up. If we look at the MACD histogram, you can see that the MACD histogram is trying to make a higher low, but it's nothing substantial quite yet. And if you look at the daily chart, you can see we had a perfect rejection on the 11 EMA, looking like we're going to make a lower low here at about $96, and then probably take that move back down like we stated before. So at this very moment, I'm not averaging down. Like I really, I know I said so, I really had a terrible experience with them, but I'm not averaging down at this point yet. I'm going to give it some time. I'm going to hold on for now. I'm going to see where this ends up going and where the entire market ends up going within the next couple of weeks, because the market is down once again pretty big today, and I don't trust that the market is going to hold here. I honestly think that the market is going to end up snapping through supports, and I do think we're going to end up seeing the S&P 500 back down at $400. But I'll continue to keep you guys posted and updated. If you have any tickers you guys want me to look at, put them down in the comments section. Actually, we can also go over SQ real quick if you guys want, because SQ is another one that a lot of people have been asking me, and since they're in the same spot, we might as well do it right now anyway. But SQ is kind of in the same situation. We were on this 200-day SMA on the weekly, and we were unable to hold it. And to be quite honest, I think it's the same situation where we're probably going to see SQ drop back down to about $85. And then from there, if we were to snap that, we could end up seeing it move down to the next price support, which, let me draw one of my lines real quick here. Clone. The next price support that we would see is going to be down here somewhere around $50, but I think 80 is probably where we're going to see it move and probably going to see it bounce. Hope this video helps, guys. Have a great day. Peace.